That's crazy. Hit him directly. Come and see something new. The first one was a white pickup truck. Behind are 3 black cars. Oh no. Also, I saw 4 cars. There's a police car ahead again. This is not a convoy of police cars on duty, but the police car behind, chasing the pickup truck ahead with flashing police lights. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. The American police car chase story is here again. This is really rare today. The person being chased also flashed his police lights. Hey, you have it, and so do I. It's really lively now. The mad rush officially begins. There is a car ahead now. Pickup truck slows down. The police car is approaching. Oops! I didn't dare to pick up the truck and rush out. What is going on? I guess many friends have already guessed it. Yes, this is a pursuit of a stolen car. This is in Maryland, USA. The pickup truck being chased. It is a tow truck rescue vehicle of the Maryland State Highway Administration. He was at the scene of a 4-car collision. When you want to perform towing tasks, a man drove the car away. Now chasing him is MSP, Maryland State Troopers. Now the police car is approaching again. The video is stuck. The video is stuck. The police car is overtaking. It succeeded. This is to prevent him from surrounding you. It's so good that I can't run away anymore, right? I went and rushed out. Failed to play off-road containment. Now the police car has finally caught up. We have to find another chance. Now the pickup truck drives into the gas station. Out again. The police car blocked him. Pushed the police car out. Oh my God, this guy is so cruel. Hey, but this car is pretty ruthless. Ordinary cars don't have this kind of power. There are more cars ahead. Pickup truck to the right. Gway. The car next to me was squeezed again. Keep running away. Turn right at the intersection ahead. Wow, that's crazy. Continue to rush. This is invincible. It seems that he knows that his car is very powerful. This is a pickup truck. It's like a bulldozer. Yes, this is a rescue trailer. No energy. He can't tow the car. Now this is a dead end. Turn around. Hey, this police car didn't catch up to me. Okay, there's a police car ahead. I don't dare to block him anymore. Plow. Hey, walk away. Why is it a dead end again? He also stopped. Are you going to get out of the car and run? It didn't start again. I don't know what he was writing here just now. Are you waiting for the police? There's a police car now. There are more here. Now that he's gone, no one dares to stop him. Now he's on the road again. Turn on the slippery mode. Hey, the style of a king. Let's see who of you is still dissatisfied. Look at this guy. Hey, I'm more courageous now. Start going retrograde. I went crazy again. Turn left. Hey, can't open it anymore. Hey, it seems to be stuck there. The front bumper is being bulldozed. The police are here. The arrest begins now. Police say there have been many crashes along the way. Involved 13 civilian cars and 3 police cars. In the end, the police cornered the vehicle. Broken car glass, catch the suspect. It is said that the suspect also has a speech impediment. Police are working with translators. This one still doesn't speak English. Also a weird one. I don't know what he is picturing. Okay, that's it for today's video. Bring you the essence colorful American police documentary story if you like. Welcome to follow and like. Thank you for watching. See you next time.